Hi friends, welcome to Kalpana's kitchen. Now today before we start with our recipe, I would like to share some good news with you. Yes, Maggie is back. Welcome Maggie. Today's recipe is a fasting item and it's called Rajgira. It's a Thalipeet. It's a typical Maharashtrian recipe and you're going to love it. It's a very simple preparation. I have previously shown you two recipes on Thalipeet, but this is simple and tastier. Okay, so let's get to the ingredients now. I've taken 2 cups of Rajgira peat. And I've taken 1/4 cup of roasted peanuts, crushed peanuts. 2 potatoes. I'll be grating these. 1 green chili. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds as jeera, and salt is for taste. And I'll be using pure ghee for frying. I have peeled, grated, and placed the potatoes, 2 potatoes, in water so that they don't discolor. Okay. Now let's start mixing everything in this bowl here. This is the potatoes I grated. To that, add the chopped green chili, cumin seeds, crushed, roasted and crushed peanuts, salt as per taste, and just mix all this now. Now start adding this Rajgira flour, little at a time. I've mixed all the ingredients. Now it's time to add little water at a time. You have to get a nice firm dough, a soft dough like. You can see I made a firm dough out of this. Okay, I've got 8 equal portions of these Thalipeet dough. I've taken a silicone sheet here. Just put a little ghee on this uh, silicone sheet. It is just taking extra precaution, that's it. Otherwise it doesn't stick. Fine. Pick up. That's it. Now add ghee here. And let this cook on sim. Okay. Once you get a brown color, you can turn it, and then cook it on high flame. Okay, now let's turn this. Wow. Now I will put the flame on high. Friends, you've seen the Rajgira Thalipeet was yummy and very tasty, and you can serve that with curds. If you're fasting, yes, with curds. Otherwise, you can have it with your ketchup or chutney, or coconut chutney even you'll be have during fasting. Simple and good recipe to impress your guests when they come around and if they're fasting. Okay, so friends, do try this recipe and give me your feedback. And yes friends, if you like the recipe, do not forget to press the button like, share this with your friends, and ask them to subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Bye.